My name is Niall Byrne. I'm Director with CARAS. CARAS are a client-side project management company. We deal with contaminated land remediation, civil infrastructure and building. CARAS have been around for 8 years, and since then we've steadily grown, and I think we're up to 16 employees at the moment.
My name's Zach. I'm a project manager at CARAS. I've been in the civil engineering, project management, consulting industry for about 10 years now.
We work across multiple projects. We can have anywhere from 15 to 20 projects going at one time. Time management is a massive challenge for us, trying to make sure people are efficient. And when you're working across multiple projects, if you get sidetracked or lose momentum on one task, it can delay multiple projects.
We have a whole lot of information, both quality, safety, environmental and cost tracking information and program as well. And it's difficult to manage all these aspects effectively, ensure that the projects are delivered well and on time and within budget. We've tried the traditional methods like Word and Excel. We've tried other platforms. We've even tried to develop our own. They just didn't solve our problem. We
try to be a paperless office as much as possible. So as a natural fit when a software like Dashpivot came along and offered us to move away from paper-based forms.
Dashpivot really enables us to capture all that safety, environmental, quality and cost information on the fly, and enables us to produce reports very easily, really cutting down on our administration time, and enables us to store information like photos in an area that enables everyone that needs to access that information to access it easily and quickly.
Dashpivot's allowed us to store the photos in a structured way. It's been able to allow us to geotag them so we know when and where they were taken. And the task of inputting photos into a report is made it more seamless and efficient to be able to accurately say when and where a photo was taken and by whom. Having a system or a platform that enables us to bring everything together easily and for the whole team to be able to interact with provides a real benefit, and Dashpivot really filled that aspect for us well. We've had really positive reactions from all the staff. We've been using Dashpivot for around a year, and over that time I found a lot of improvements in the day-to-day. Myself, I'm finding that I'm spending a lot less time on administration but still capturing as much information and being able to review as much information or more than I previously had been. The user interface allows anyone to really just jump on and start making forms and start having a go. It's very easy to use, very easy to customize and very easy to report. Dashpivot, it's not just for safety or not just for quality or environment, it can be used for anything. The flexibility of that alone is proven very beneficial for us. It's been really evolving and improving. It's really making our job easier. It's only getting better. I would recommend Dashpivot to other project managers and consultants because it's allowed us to be just a more efficient business.